Okay, so this is our math project. I'm going to do, like you can see here, 3-term multiplication. So the first thing we have to do is, when we have our terms, we have to separate it. So this is the only thing that's multiplicating that's not a root. Well, in this case, a 7th root. So we put here the 666, right? So then this is going to multiply all of the roots. They are the same roots. They are 7 roots, as you can see. So we write 7 and we write the roots. We write 69 by 420 by 776. 77. So now with the power of calculators we're going to multiply these terms. Well, these roots, because that's the next step we have to do. As you can see, they are the same terms, they are equal, so it will be the same if we multiply them. So as you can see here, it's like a real big number. So I'm going to write it down. This is going to be like in the 7. This is going to be a 7th root. 22 is going to be by the 7th root. This is still going to be multiplied by this. So this is going to be a real big number. So we write this down. And now, again, with the power of calculators, we're going to do this. Aren't calculators amazing? Like, really? Like, just answer this. What would you do without a calculator? Like, when I did it, just think about it. So now when we multiply things by the root, wait. We first have to get the root. Like, if we write it on a calculator, it will like give us the answer, but we have to find the root, the 7th root of this. So I'm not going to do like the 7th root of this. This is too long. So now when we multiply things by the root, wait. We first have to get the root. Like, if we write it on a calculator, it will like give us the answer, but we have to find the root, the 7th root of this. So I'm not going to do like the 7th root of this. This is too long. So apparently this is the 7th root of what will be 100,000. I'm sorry. 460. This is the 7th root. Okay. What will be 22 millions 570 1700 400,000. I'm sorry, 460. This is the 7th root. Okay. So I'm gonna have to multiply this like this, and the final answer is going to be it's going to be a smaller number than I thought it would be. So here it is. It's 7,478.8383 because I'm not mixing. So this is the answer, and the only thing you have to do really is like sum up the roots and then multiplied by the terms that they will be summed. Really, they are going to be summed. Yeah.
Okay, so here what we're gonna do is get the area and the perimeter of the rectangle. So to get the area, we're just gonna multiply this, which is 3,600, and if you get the square root of this, it will be 60. So the area is equal to 60. It's very easy, and then the perimeter. What you're gonna do is simplify these, so we have the same value here. So 45. So the 45 would be 3 square root of 5, because 45 is equal to 9 multiplying for 5, and 5 doesn't have a perfect square root, but 9 does, which is 3. So we have the 3 here, and the 5 stays inside the root. So it's the same with the 80. 80 is 16 multiplied by 5. So the square root of 16 is 4, and the 5 stays inside the root. So we already have these, but we have two sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna double it, so we have the value of both sides. So it's 6 square root of 5 and 8 square root of 5. So this, you have the same thing here, so you can add this. That's 14 square root of 5. This is the perimeter. Okay, listo. So these are the results. I'm gonna answer this problem. So the area is, so the formula for the area is base times height over 2. So this is the square root of 245 times the square root of 45 over 2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply it, and that's 11,025. So so is 105 over 2, which is 52.5. So the area is equal to 52.5. And I'm good. Okay, so for the perimeter, we're gonna add all these sides. So it's the square root of 245 plus the square root of 80 plus the square root of 180. So you can't add these because you don't have the same root. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna simplify it. So this is the result of 16 times 5. So we can okay, so here the factors of 245 is 49 times 5. So the square root of 49 is 7, and 5 doesn't have a square root, so it stays like this. In 80, it's 16 times 5. The square root of 16 is 4, and 5 also stays like this because it doesn't have any square root. And in 180 is 36 times 5. So the square root of 35 is 6, and we have the square root of 5 here. So now we have the same roots. We can add these, and the answer is 17 square root of 5. So yeah, that's the perimeter.
Today guys, I'm gonna explain the most common mistakes with we love our loved ones, Mr. Radical. So, for starters, first, this is not possible. Why? You cannot add this. No, this is incorrect. Why? Well, because you cannot add this and this because they don't have the same term. So that's why I forgot to put a 3 here. So you can see the answer. This little one, very beautiful. So next one is dividing this one by this one. That's also incorrect because the real answer, this is not good. The real answer is you need to find the cubic root of 27. So to find a cubic root, it's really simple. You have to multiply the number that you think it's gonna give you 27. So 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 77. So the real answer is 3. That's it. You don't need to put the radical again because you don't have it again. So it's only 3. Now this is another common mistake, saying like, oh yeah, I cannot do anything because this. No, you need to simplify it. So this is not good. So you need to put 2x4 because you actually divide by this imaginary 2, divide 8 and 2. That's really it. So another common mistake with these ones is adding like this. No. You need to find first the square root, so this is 6 and 4, so it's 10. That's really the answer. You just need to find the square roots of those, and that's it. And then after that, our last common mistake, and I'm gonna say I did this myself, is actually adding, well, you know, the square root of 9 is 3, and then it's 2x, so what I actually did was add. Now you cannot add because it has an x. So you multiply 3 times 2x, so this is not okay, and it's actually 6x. So, thank you, that's my 6 common mistakes that